everyone. Meet the product category reordering rule Odoo app, your smart solution for effortless inventory management with features like minimum and maximum stock levels, safety stock, and automated reordering based on ad demand. You can keep your stock perfectly balanced, avoiding both shortages and overstocking. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the inventory. Under the configuration, you can see a reordering rules where we have created some of the products, the reordering rule. And additionally, after installing this module, you can see two fields. One is a safety stock, and the one will be an average daily demand. So over here, the average daily demand will be calculated based on the total demand of days, that is the product creation days, divided by the total sales amount that we have did. Okay. Now, the safety stock. Safety stock will be calculated based on the average daily demand into a customer lead time of an product. Okay. So first we have a configurations. So for the configuration part, we need to get into the inventory where you can see an advanced reordering rule. We need to enable this option first, and under that we have a type. One will be based on the product, another one is based on the product category. Now let's check the flow. So for checking the flow, first we need to create a product. So this is one of the product which I have created on April 4th. Now we need to create a sales order beyond that sales price. So for example, if I did a sales of April 30 or something, let's do it out. Now you can see we are in April 13. Now let's create a new sales order for the same product which we have created before in April 4. Now let's add a customer, and in this we need to add a product. So this is the product we have added. Now let's add in amount as 12 for example, or else let it okay. Let's add it 12 here. Okay. Now let's confirm the order. So the order will be done. So let's get into the delivery and let's make a delivery over here. Let's validate it now. So now after validate, let's get into the inventory. And over here you can see the reordering rule. Let's create a reordering rule for the product. Now we have chosen in the settings, we have chosen based on the product wise it must work. So if you create a new reordering rule, it will fetch a product. We can see the product over here. Okay, and you can see the stock will be like the average daily demand. So the average daily demand will be calculated based on the total demand days of the product, like the creation days, divided by that is 4, divided by a total sales that we have did like 12. Okay, so now in this you can see the stock. Safety stock will be calculated based on the average daily demand into the lead time of the product. Okay, so, like for example, if I choose product category, so in that case, for example, if I get into the reordering rule, let's delete this as of now. So let me refresh this page, and if I choose, you can see the option to choose a category wise. So based on the category wise, it will display the product. For example, here in this, if I choose an office chat, it will display based on that category alone. So this is how that settings works. So for example, if I choose all, this product will be under all categories. So you can see the stock will be automatically taken over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.